Hey, what is up guys, this is your boy High on Tech and I'm back again with another video. Today I'm gonna unbox and review two very famous cars from Fast and the Furious series. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. The first car I am unboxing is from the Fast and the Furious, the famous Mitsubishi Eclipse, and this car cost me 1030 rupees including shipping charges, and I ordered this from Draz.com, and I will share the link of this product later in the video. The car is made up of metal and the detail on this car is very impressive. They took care of every little detail to make this car exactly like they used in the Fast and the Furious. And this car has openable doors. I really like this toy car, it's worth the money. So now let's move on to the next car. The next car is from the movie Too Fast Too Furious, the famous GTR 34 Skyline. This car cost me 3500 rupees including shipping charges. Now let's quickly get this car out of its box. This car is made up from metal, but the side mirrors are made up from soft rubber type material. The length of this car is 8 inches and the width of this car is 3.5 inches I guess, and the height of this car is 2.5 inches. This car has openable doors. You can also open and close the trunk. And this car also has an openable bonnet. The tires are made up of actual tire rubbers. So there you go guys, if you like my videos, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will put the product links of both the cars in the description box down below, so do check it out. And like always, thanks for watching and I talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.